he doesn't own God. God belongs to all of us. And by the way, he doesn't go to church quite often. I know him. I want to lecture him that God sometimes, when he finds that you are so tough-headed, he gives you very bad leaders, so that you learn. You get to know that leaders can force you to pay all the money that you earn in form of taxes. Those are the kind of leaders God can give you if you become tough-headed. And I think Kenyans should now start learning that God can answer prayers by giving you very bad leaders. And you can see it, the kind of arrogance that comes from majority leader, and the kind of arrogance that comes from other officers. I know, Mr. Speaker, if I mention those officers and you know them, you will ask me that they are not here to defend themselves. But the majority leader is here. This kind of arrogance, finance bills, Mr. Speaker.
I have no way of knowing what is on your mind.
So I can go ahead. But Mr. Speaker,
and sit down.
Mr. Speaker, Joe Biden, the president of the most...
Your time is up. Chief Konga, before you conclude, let me give Faith Gitau 1 minute, Faith.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me this chance. Indeed, we have come this far, not because of what we have done, but because of what God has done for us. And there